Greetings and welcome to the video for today. In it, we will delve into the intriguing realm of lithium mining and its significance in the electric vehicle sector. The market for lithium-ion batteries, which are reliant on the raw ingredient lithium, is expanding along with the demand for electric vehicles. In this video, we'll examine Tesla's mining plan in more detail, as well as the difficulties the industry has in obtaining a steady supply of this vital resource. Come along as we examine the most recent advancements in this fascinating sector and their implications for the future of electric cars. Hello, did you catch Chandler's latest tweet regarding Tesla's intentions? He revealed a chart that lists the various metals that Tesla will require in order to produce 20 million vehicles by 2030. It may initially appear to be a red flag for possible supply chain problems for both Tesla and the electric vehicle sector as a whole, but this strikes me as one of Tesla's greatest opportunities. Concerns over the sustainability of the materials used in lithium-ion batteries, an essential part of electric vehicles, have grown in recent years. Although lithium is a plentiful resource, there have been questions expressed concerning the social and environmental effects of lithium mining and processing, especially in nations with lax labor and environmental laws. The search for substitute materials for lithium-ion batteries has increased as a result. One such material is silicon, which is used as the anode in lithium-ion batteries most frequently. It has a higher energy density than graphite. Nevertheless, silicon has several disadvantages, such as a propensity to expand and fracture when subjected to charge and discharge cycles. Despite these obstacles, businesses in the sector, such as Tesla, are making encouraging strides in resolving them, and silicon is beginning to be viewed as a viable replacement for graphite. In the meanwhile, cobalt has also caused environmental harm and has been linked to unethical labor practices. Despite being necessary for the current designs of lithium-ion batteries, cobalt has been used less, or not at all. However, since lithium is still a vital component of modern lithium-ion battery construction, it is unlikely that Tesla and other manufacturers will totally abandon lithium. Although it is true that a sizable amount of lithium is required to meet the demand for electric vehicles, this mineral is still abundantly available globally, and new deposits are always being found. Therefore, even if there are issues with the sustainability of the materials used to make lithium-ion batteries, these issues are being addressed, and there is cause for optimism regarding the development of sustainable EVs in the future. Lithium isn't scarce, according to Simon Morris of Benchmark Mineral Intelligence. The true challenge is extracting it from the ground in a way that makes sense economically. Although there are worries that if we keep making electric cars at the current rate, we might run out of the world's supply of lithium within 17 to 40 years, this analysis ignores the rapid advancements and exploration taking place in the lithium industry, as well as the new products that are being produced. A naturally occurring element, lithium can be found in many different parts of the world. It's not geographically uncommon, but getting economic quantities into the supply chain is the problem. This implies that extracting lithium from the earth and converting it into a form that can be used in lithium-ion batteries can be challenging and costly. One of the top producers of electric cars worldwide, Tesla, plans to start mining lithium in the upcoming years. But exploring and developing new lithium mines requires a significant financial commitment, and it's unclear where the funding for all of these future lithium mines will come from. Currently, capital markets do not provide the majority of funding. Instead, the sector itself does. About half of the world's lithium production and 60% of the ability to produce electric batteries are currently held by Chinese companies. This raises questions over the security ramifications of China being the primary supplier of these essential commodities, particularly for other countries like the US. In general, the lithium business follows the market, but the location of the expansion of lithium-ion capacity is the actual worry. Benchmark statistics indicates that by 2029, around 35 million electric vehicles, or 1.9 terawatt-hours of battery capacity, are predicted to be built. Although this development is encouraging and bodes well for the future of electric vehicles, it also emphasizes the necessity of a steady and sustainable lithium supply to keep up with this expansion. Allow me to explain this to you. As everyone knows, lithium is an essential part of lithium-ion batteries, which power electric cars and other green energy devices. Although lithium is not geographically rare, obtaining sufficient amounts of it in an economically viable manner is the true difficulty. Among the businesses setting the standard for tackling this issue is Tesla. The fact that Chinese companies presently control about half of the world's lithium output is one of the main causes for concern, as it may provide a security risk to other countries. Furthermore, The bulk of battery production capacity is located in China, which is concerning because the US is only accountable for roughly 8% of this total capacity. In the absence of Tesla's gigafactory, that percentage falls to 3%. This implies that if the US hopes to catch up to China in this sector, it will have to move part of its lithium leverage back to the US. Tesla is implementing vertical integration, which is essential for long-term margin control and profit growth. But the trick is to make the refining of metals as simple as possible, which is where Tesla's sleeping giant comes into play. Tesla has created a method that uses the raw metal nickel powder directly, removing the requirement for billions of dollars worth of intermediate manufacture. Additionally, this makes mining and recycling procedures simpler. The materials used in the cathode will travel 80% less miles thanks to Tesla's intentions to develop its cathode facility in North America, which will result in significant cost savings. Through localizing its cathode production and supply chain, Tesla is able to capitalize on the abundant nickel and lithium resources found in North America. This is how Tesla plans to produce its cells, turning mine-source raw materials into batteries. In addition, Tesla invented a sulfate-free way of converting lithium that is more environmentally friendly than conventional techniques. They also bought the rights to a sizable lithium clay deposit in Nevada, demonstrating their dedication to resolving the issues with the industry's material supply chain. The extraction of lithium, a vital component of batteries for electric vehicles, can have a substantial negative environmental impact. This is due to the fact that mining entails taking a piece of rock or dirt out of the earth and extracting the lithium from it. Once this is finished, the piece is returned to its original location in an effort to restore its original appearance as closely as feasible to its pre-mining state. Although the industry is skeptical about Tesla's capacity to expand its mining operations, only time will tell if it can emerge as the country's top producer of lithium, if not the world. If they are successful, Tesla may be able to take on a whole new business in which it supplies lithium to other automakers. It's critical to keep in mind the importance of Tesla's business success and the material supply chain. Even while it's simple to get sucked into the latest headlines and product announcements, Tesla's ability to secure a long-term supply of resources will be crucial to its success in the long run. Tesla is establishing itself as a leader in the sector with the invention of innovative methods for producing lithium and nickel in the US. Even if it's impossible to foresee exactly what this business will look like in the future, it's crucial to consider the possible influence Tesla might have. They have successfully pushed boundaries in the past thanks to their dedication to innovation and willingness to take chances, and they will probably keep doing so in the years to come. That's all there is to it, people. We've looked at the opportunities and problems in the lithium supply chain for renewable energy and electric car technologies. Having a dependable and sustainable supply of resources like lithium is essential as the globe moves towards sustainable energy. With its use of vertical integration, supply chain localization, and environmentally friendly mining techniques, Tesla is setting the standard for tackling these issues. We'll be closely monitoring Tesla's advancements in this field, and we hope you'll join us in endorsing creative and sustainable solutions for a more promising future. I appreciate you watching, and please remember to hit the thumbs up on this video. For more updates, don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News.